Hey friends, if you wish to pick an accent color from my background automatically in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now here's the thing, we already have a separate video on setting an accent color, and this video is a little different. It is about setting it automatically. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab, select colors. You'll find the accent color here. You can set it manually, it's not a big deal. Okay, but if you want, I mean, you just have to turn the switch on to see the difference. But if you want it to be automatic, simply select it at automatic. Now you are not the one who's choosing the color. The color will be chosen by the system itself, and it will keep changing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.